Serve and return affects all areas of learning, but let's talk a little more about how it specifically impacts language and literacy development. Infants and toddlers don't learn language just by overhearing adults talking to each other. They learn language as they participate in conversations with people who are special to them. The more words they hear and the more opportunities and turns they have to babble or use their own words, the more their language grows. Babies are great sound detectives. When adults talk, they listen and pay attention to the patterns and sounds of their language. They capably analyze this information and store it for the future. Through this serve and return interaction, babies' brains build the foundation that will support their abilities to learn to read and express themselves in writing later on. Let's watch the final seconds of this video from Harvard Center on the Developing Child.
For example, here's how it works for literacy and language skills. When the baby sees an object, the adult says its name. This makes connections in the baby's brain between particular sounds and their corresponding objects. Later, adults show young children that those objects and sounds can also be represented by marks on a page. With continued support from adults, children then learn how to decipher writing and eventually to write themselves. Each stage builds on what came before. Ensuring that children have adult caregivers who consistently engage in serve and return interaction, beginning in infancy, builds a foundation in the brain for all the learning, behavior, and health that follow.